Video, I'll show you my project 2B, Heredity, working correctly and according to the specifications given for the project. So as you can see, I have my terminal open, and I'm gonna go ahead and run the project with the family 0.csv data. I'm gonna hit enter, and as expected and as it was shown in the project's description, the results are exactly the same. We can see that the probabilities for distributions for each of the persons, gene and trait, sum up to 1. Now I'm gonna run the project with the family 1.csv data, and you'll see that it is also working properly. All the probability distributions sum up to 1, and they all make sense based on the data that was received. Finally, I'm going to run my project with the family 2.csv file to check that it's working correctly. Once again, you can see we ran the project with the family 2.csv. All the probability distributions sum up to 1. This case, we have a larger data set with Arthur, Hermione, Molly, Ron, and Rose. And once again, all of the results obtained make sense, and all of them were normalized. That way, all of the distributions sum up to 1. Thank you very much. This was the brief demo of the Heredity Project 2B of the Artificial Intelligence with Python Harvard EDX course.